Imagine this, I'm heading down to the beach here in Surfers Paradise, board under my arm, sun on my face, and I need music. Not just background noise, but loud, crystal clear, powerful sound that can keep up with my day. Or maybe I'm just firing up the barbecue in my backyard here in Australia, or chilling in my study at home, and I want that perfect soundtrack. That's exactly where the JBL Flip 6 comes in. And today, we're deep diving into this compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker. I'm Andrew from Mr. Yoo-Hoo. And you know how much we love our JBL speakers here on the channel. We're pushing limits with the mighty JBL Extreme 4, felt the booming bass with the Charge 5, which I absolutely adore, and now I'm excited to show you how the Flip 6 performs in real life. This isn't just a spec rundown, we're unboxing this vibrant red beauty, stress testing its durability, blasting tunes on the beach, and I'll share with you how it fits into my everyday life. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on future tech reviews. And of course, check the links below for our giveaways and where to grab the Flip 6 if you're keen. Let's jump in. Inside the box, you'll find a Flip 6, a USB-C to USB charging cable, and the usual guides. No power brick, but who doesn't already have one of those lying around? Now, as I hold the Flip 6 the first time, the textured rubber and tight mesh fabric really stands out. It's grippy without feeling rough and solid without being heavy. It only weighs 550 grams. So I tossed this into my backpack for a beach day at Burleigh Heads in Queensland and didn't even notice the weight. As you can see, I also used it at the Gold Coast when I was at the beach, and it was absolutely fine. The rugged cylindrical design feels reassuringly tough in the hand. It even survived a few accidental drops off a picnic table and a swing from my paddleboard loop as well. So thank God. But you've also got this as well to put on your hands if you want to try and stop it from leaving. Again, I can hold it there on my wrist like that, and you see it doesn't feel heavy at all. Other thing about this as well is it's IP67 waterproof and dust proof, and that makes it a game changer. So when I took it to the beach, I had sand on it, I dunked it briefly in the surf, and it just kept going. No clogged ports, no rattling drivers, and then I grab it with wet hands or throw it into the boot with towels, and it looks and feels brand new. The quality really shows here. The other thing about the buttons as well is you can see them on the back, on the top there. They're really tactile and easy to feel even when I'm wearing sunscreen or on the move. I like that they're large, distinct, especially when I'm adjusting volume during a hike or skipping tracks on the beach. As you can see, I've also got the buttons back there as well to turn it on, to enter Bluetooth as well. So it really is nice. And look at the size of my hand then as well. So it doesn't even stretch the size of my hand, but it really does pack a lot of sound. Let's talk about the sound. For its size, this thing seriously punches above its weight. With a racetrack woofer and a separate tweeter, plus dual passive radiators, the Flip 6 delivers surprisingly rich bass, clear vocals, and energetic highs. I was sitting under the shade at Main Beach in Surfers Paradise, streaming some Latin pop, and the Flip 6 filled the whole area with sound. No distortion, not even near max volume. You do notice a difference though when you go back indoors. The bass definitely isn't as deep as a Charge 5, or it's nowhere near the Extreme 6, but obviously they're bigger speakers. But it's cleaner and tighter than most small speakers. That makes it ideal for more than just parties. So I use it in my study while editing, and it doesn't overwhelm the room. And I also use it laying in bed with my laptop. It gives that extra bit of sound to it. So I'm gonna play a sound test now so you can hear how it sounds, and let me know what you think afterwards. Oh, sorry guys, I got caught up in the music then. It really does sound good, doesn't it? And again, it is a mini speaker, so don't get too excited. It is loud for its size. But it also has Bluetooth 5.1. Makes pairing instant, and the JBL Portable app gives you a 3-band EQ if you want to boost or tweak mids. I usually leave it flat, but the controller's there. Party boost is also fun. You press that button there. I tested my older Flip 5 and also my Charge 5. You don't get stereo sound with mixed models, but the extra volume is great for group hangs. Battery life as well, it's good. 9 hours in my real world tests, not quite on 12, but still plenty for a full beach day or backyard barbecue. And it charges very fast by the USB-C cable just there. And again, I just plug it in between uses and I find it works quite well. I do love the look of this speaker. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Flip 6, Charge 5 and Extreme 4 all serve different needs. The Extreme 4 is your powerhouse. Insane volume, booming bass and huge battery life. But it's heavy and not the one I take for hikes. And you can see it just here. The Charge 5 hits a sweet spot. Deeper bass, louder output and long battery life. Now the Flip 6 is the lightest, easiest to carry and rugged enough for beach use. It doesn't hit as hard as the others, but for casual outdoor sessions and everyday listening, my grab and go pick. So what do we think? Well, we've done a lot of JBL speakers, as you guys know. Is this worth it? Well, if you're after a super portable, tough Bluetooth speaker with punchy sound, IP67 protection, and a premium build, this is one of the best options out there. Doesn't have a mic or AUX in, but for wireless simplicity and everyday adventures, it delivers. I genuinely use this more than I expected. Beach walks, backyard editing sessions, and even hotel rooms. Now, the Flip 7 is coming out, so this is on special at the moment if you want to purchase it. If you've used the Flip 6 or another JBL speaker, let me know your thoughts in the comments and tell me, would you want to see improved in the next version? And also we're doing a giveaway for the JBL 201 MK3 just come out. Check the reviews and the links below to enter. I'm Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and I'll see you in the next one.